I'm Nivedita Roy, a financial consultant by profession and a proud life insurance advisor with ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company for the past 23 years. This journey of mine started in Indore in the year 2002. I had quit my job with the bank and I started looking for something part-time which would give me an income and also enable me to spend quality time with my little girl. I started work as a life insurance advisor. With the help of their excellent training and support, I was able to learn everything from scratch, be it their products, customer engagement, everything. I built a strong client base and earned well. In 2006, we had to move to Chennai and I had to leave major part of my network in Indore and start afresh in Chennai. Just as I was settling down in Chennai, there came a turning point all over again. We had to move to Hyderabad because my husband got a much better work opportunity. Each move meant starting all over again. In 2014, my husband retired from active work. For the next 6 years, I worked really hard. I even managed to open my own office. I rebuilt my client base every time. I not only funded my daughter's education, but invested in properties across cities and also built a lifestyle which we had only dreamt of. My proudest moment, however, would be my first trip to Berlin as part of the International Star Club, where my family joined me on stage to receive the award. Being a life insurance advisor isn't all about selling plans. It is more about achieving your own freedom and building your future.